Most people start newsletters, but never make a single dollar from them. So if you're trying to turn your audience into income, this video will show you exactly how people are making money with newsletters today. Let's break this down in a simple way. A newsletter is basically an email list where you send content directly to your audience. No algorithm, no reach issues, just direct access. And platforms like Beehiiv make this process extremely easy. So how does newsletter monetization actually work? There are 4 main ways people make money. 1. Sponsorships. Brands pay you to promote their product in your emails. Even small newsletters with 1,000, 5,000 subscribers can make money this way. 2. Paid subscriptions. You can charge your audience monthly for exclusive content, like insights, signals, or premium tips. 3. Affiliate marketing. You recommend products and earn a commission when people sign up through your link. 4. Selling your own products, courses, services, or even coaching. Your newsletter becomes your sales engine. The key idea is simple. Attention equals money. If you have an audience that trusts you, you can monetize it. So if you want to start doing this yourself, the first step is to create your newsletter. I've left a link in the pinned comment where you can sign up for Beehiiv and get started. It only takes a few minutes to set up. Now let's talk about how to actually make money step by step. Step 1. Pick a niche. Don't go general. Focus on something specific like trading, crypto, business, fitness. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to monetize. Step 2. Grow your audience. You don't need millions of followers. Start by posting content on TikTok, YouTube, or Twitter, offering a free lead magnet. Driving people to your newsletter link, even 100 subscribers is enough to start. Step 3. Start monetizing early. Most people wait too long. Instead, add affiliate links from day 1. Mention tools you already use. Start reaching out to small brands for sponsorships. Step 4. Use Beehiiv's built-in monetization. This is where Beehiiv stands out. It has an ad network, brands come to you, paid subscription setup, referral system to grow faster. So instead of finding sponsors yourself, the platform can bring deals directly to you. Step 5. Be consistent. This is where most people fail. You don't need perfect emails, you need consistent ones. Send 2 to 3 emails per week. Keep them short and valuable. Build trust first, money comes after. So that's how people are making money with newsletters right now. If you stay consistent and focus on value, this can turn into a serious income stream. Don't forget to check the pinned comment to get started, and I'll see you in the next video.